Hey everyone, welcome back. What if you could type one simple idea and get an entire long-form video without spending hours writing scripts, recording voiceovers, searching for music, or editing dozens of tiny AI clips? That's exactly what makes ClawVID so interesting, because if you've ever tried creating AI videos before, you probably know the frustration. You generate a short clip, then another, and another. Suddenly, you're juggling prompts, scripts, voiceovers, background music, captions, and an editing timeline that seems to get more complicated every minute. So, you wanted AI to save you time. Instead, you became the editor. ClawVID takes a completely different approach. Instead of simply generating individual AI video clips, it's designed as an autonomous long-form AI video creator that can turn a single idea into a complete production. Imagine typing something like, "Create a 15-minute documentary about the rise of artificial intelligence." That's your starting point. ClawVID can take that idea and work through the production process, creating the script, breaking the story into scenes, generating visuals, producing AI narration, adding background music, synchronizing the elements, editing the video, creating captions, and preparing SEO assets. In other words, you're not just getting another collection of AI clips, you're aiming for an actual finished long-form video. And this is where things get really interesting for YouTube creators. Instead of spending an entire day producing one faceless video, you could use ClawVID for documentaries, educational content, explainers, affiliate videos, product reviews, training videos, marketing content. Think about the possibilities. One idea, one workflow, one complete video. ClawVID is powered by OpenClaw, which acts more like an autonomous production director. You provide the objective, and the system can break that objective into different production tasks instead of forcing you to manually coordinate every step. And that could dramatically simplify the content creation process. Of course, no AI tool should be treated like a magic button. You'll still want to review the final result, check the facts, refine the storytelling, and make sure the finished video actually matches your channel's quality standards. But the big idea is simple. Let AI handle more of the repetitive production work so you can spend more time deciding what content you actually want to create. And according to the offer presented in the source, ClawVID includes long-form video generation, AI voiceover, music, automated editing, captions, SEO tools, one-click export, commercial rights, and lifetime access under its launch offer. That's a pretty different proposition from generating 5-second clips all day. So if you're building a faceless YouTube channel, creating videos for clients, or simply looking for a faster way to turn ideas into long-form content, ClawVID is definitely worth checking out. Instead of starting with a timeline full of empty tracks, you start with an idea, one prompt, one production workflow, and potentially one complete long-form video. So no more endless clip stitching. No more spending hours just trying to make scene 17 match scene 16. If ClawVID delivers on what it promises, it could change the way creators approach AI video production. So if you want to explore ClawVID for yourself, check out the link below and see what it can do. Because your next video might not need dozens of prompts. It might only need one idea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.